Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Wicked Android HD, and I know I haven't been posting for a long time. I'm on vacation and I didn't have the proper time to make how to flash tutorials and reviews. Tonight actually, I'm gonna be showing you how to flash Albe's ROM latest version 3.5. I assume that you have already the latest modem and bootloader, referring to the Lollipop ones. So I think it's the OF2, the latest one, bootloader and modem. So if you don't have these two flashed on your device via Odin, you should refer to the XDA thread right down below into the description and follow the tutorial there. After you've done that, make sure you wipe your device. Even if you're coming for a Lollipop ROM or any other ROM, I do always recommend making an Android backup before proceeding to the next step. How do you do that? Okay, let me focus. You go into backup and restore, and then backup either to SD card or SD card 1. Sorry, let me turn the volume a little bit down. Okay. And after that, all you need to do is to go into wipe and format options, and then clean to install a new ROM. So it says formatting data. Have some serious problems with my tripod. And I'll get back to you guys after it finishes the wiping part. Okay, so after you've done that, as you may see, it says now flash a new ROM. You'll go into install zip and then choose zip from SD card 1 and then choose Albe95 S6 port version 3.5, and let's get together into Aroma installer. The fact about this tripod is that it's heavy duty one, heavyweight. My little one, I borrowed my little one to a friend, so I couldn't use it right now. I don't know what's going on with the focus, but I hope you guys can see what I am doing. So, as far as I can tell, there's no Aroma installer in this ROM. It's just some update script, so it will install it by default. And I'll get back to you guys with after I configure my Galaxy S6 with a benchmark, Antutu Benchmark, because you requested this benchmark to be part of my tutorials. So from now on, it will be part of my tutorials. I'll get back to you guys with user interface, legs, bugs, features, and let's hope this port is gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is Albe's ROM version 3.5 S6 port, and I'll show you that here. Albe95 S6 port 3.5, Android version 5.1.1, which seems really weird, at least to me, because this is based on OE2, but I think it's OF2. Either way, it may be just a build prop tweak. So as I told you, first of all, we'll get into Antutu Benchmark, then we'll go through this beautiful user interface. This is the S6 port with all the S6 apps. We're gonna get into them later. Well, let's start with Antutu Benchmark. Let's fire them up. First of all, I will make sure that this is running default settings here in Astwix. So I'm gonna scroll here and hit reset settings to default. So it's okay. Then we're gonna fire up Antutu Benchmark. Sorry. And we'll click test. So I'll get back to you guys after the test is completed. Unfortunately, you gotta see it by yourself. No response after getting through the CPU benchmark with Antutu. Phone is definitely frozen and I can't even reboot it. All I need to do is to get rid of the battery and restart the phone. Like this. So the battery is out. Not even close. It isn't rebooting, what the fuck. That's why ported ROMs can do with your device. It's rebooting. So I'll get to the user interface part because Antutu Benchmark isn't working. I was really impressed with this ROM because it doesn't have that much of a struggling lag, which you are very familiar with imported ROMs. Let me enter my pin code. Yeah, that is very strange. So let's get into the apps. Phone app. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna dial a number. This is how the in-call window looks like. Sorry, I'm too tired. This is how a message looks like when you receive it. You can view it and it will automatically open the messaging app. Contacts, messages I showed you. Camera, also very good because it uses the S61 camera with all the slow motion, fast motion, panorama, so like that. Just beautiful. Music app. This is how it looks like. Doesn't support flag sounds. Calculator, clock. Really nice animations. I think they borrowed this from HTC. Sense. Timer. Yeah, really nice animation. Oh, tools. Memo my files. Good structure there. S planner. S health, which I'm never gonna use. Settings, YouTube, Google, and these are the stock apps that comes with this ROM. Let's get into settings. I was browsing through settings and saw this battery menu, which I found really interesting because it shows you the estimated usage time remaining. You can see the battery usage by clicking this, and you can get you can activate power saving mode and ultra power saving mode, which I'm going to show you right now. I don't know how to get into it. Like this maybe. Yeah, okay. Turn on Grayscale mode and ultra power saving mode is on. Yeah. You have to deactivate this ultra power saving mode before rebooting the device, because if you do so, you may end up with a boot loop. Apart from that, the ROM is moving pretty damn well. Themes, let's see if they're working. Country not supported. Great. Romania. Smart Manager. I was about to show you that. Nice application. Shows you the battery status, storage, RAM. So this is like a RAM manager, a battery manager, a storage manager, all in one. So you may see apps that are running. Now every single app that is running is showed here, which is very cool. You don't have to get into settings anymore and search for application and then running application. Device security, you can clean all. And we're fine. You can access the recent app panel by pressing the option key. No lag here, but I have noticed some lag while popping these applications up. As you may see, yeah, there is some lag there. There is still room for improvements. Sorry for the fact that this doesn't work. You see it gives black screen. I'm gonna try it again just to show you that it gives you automatically black screen after hitting test. So yeah, it's a fast ROM. Don't know how stable it is. The battery seems to be fine to me. The smoothness is something characteristic to the S6, so keep in mind that this is an S6 port. You know what I mean. This should move at least a little bit slower than the S6. I'm gonna say faster because it's not gonna happen. So this is the time where it got stuck on the black screen. Yeah, again. So sorry for that, guys. Hope you liked this review. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.